How to fry an egg in a cast iron skillet. Well, today what we're going to do, we're going to show you how to fry an egg two different ways. And what we're going to do, we're going to start out with our Lodge cast iron skillet. This is a 12-inch cast iron skillet. We've got it preheated to medium. One way to test that, if the skillet is ready, is to drop a little bit of water in it. If it dances like that, the skillet is hot and ready for you to go ahead and start cooking your eggs. Now, I've got about a tablespoon of butter we're going to drop in here as our fat to cook our eggs in. Okay, well, the butter has melted, so we're going to go ahead and drop our eggs in here. You just want to crack your eggs and place those right in your skillet like that. Turn the heat down just a little bit. Now, one way we're going to do this is we're just going to let the white part of the egg begin to firm up. The other one, we're going to crack the yolk. This one's going to be a fried egg, kind of over easy possibly, but this one here is going to be a hard fried egg, like you would make an egg sandwich with. So we'll let those begin to firm up a little bit. Okay, as you can see, these eggs are beginning to firm up. The white of the egg is firming up and not as liquid as it was. So this one here is almost ready to flip. This fried egg still has a little bit to go yet. Okay, we go ahead and flip this egg over for the over easy egg. The other egg that the yolk is broken, we'll flip it over and let it firm up. Give that just a couple minutes there. Okay, there we have two eggs fried over. One is hard fried, one's fried over easy, or soft fried. We just want to add just a little bit of salt to those. And as you can see, the yolk is still runny for this fried egg, but it's perfectly cooked. The white is completely cooked. On the fried egg over here, the yellow is completely cooked. And that's perfect for a fried egg sandwich. So be sure and check this video out right here because it was made specifically for you. I'm Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you guys later. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you. Bye-bye.